Hello everyone, welcome back to this episode of Bitcoin Trade here. And what I'm going to show you here is something that basically for people who trade on chart analysis. Why, in my personal opinion, Mt. Gox would be a great exchange to trade your bitcoins and U.S. dollars. Basically, shorting Bitcoin, buying U.S. dollars, and going long Bitcoin by buying Bitcoin with your U.S. dollars. So, if you look at this chart here, this is just a 15-minute, and it shows looks like 5 days or something like that, whatever days. But if you look at the low is 900, and then you see the top, which is 980. So there's an $80 move here. Okay, so if you bought in a Bitcoin at 900 and you sold out here, there's an $80 move. So you can make $80. Or if you bought 100, you made 800. But so whatever. My point is that there's serious moves here on Mt. Gox, and serious, a little bit more volatility. Although when I show you the other charts, you'll start seeing that maybe the way this moves versus the others, you'll realize this is a more predictable, mainly because of the large volume. You see, look at the volume orders here. You're going to see, well, anyways, there's a lot of orders here. The volume may not have changed, but if you look at this, it just moves in a more, what I would call more true price action here. And then now let me change it around here, and I'll go to this is Bitstamp, and I noticed that they changed the order now. It used to be Mt. Gox, Bitstamp, and then BitC, and now they got Mt. Gox here at the last of it. And when you go into Bitcoin Wisdom, it just shows the Bitstamp price. So I know a lot of people out there want to use Bitstamp as the index, but thank God they don't have there's no control, right? This is whatever you want it to be. I want it to be Mt. Gox. If somebody wants to be Bitstamp, go ahead. But I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna choose Bitstamp. And let's see, it's the same 15-minute period, and then we'll take a look here at the price range here. This is being 791 going up to 845. So that's about a $55 range in the same time period. So if I bought 10 Bitcoins here, I'd only make about 550 bucks. Where if on Mt. Gox, if I bought 10 Bitcoins at the low in the same time period, I would have made 800 bucks, or I think that's right, 800 bucks. So for a trader who, especially speculation, of course, when you're speculating like this, doing chart analysis, if you're good at reading charts, Mt. Gox is, like I said, Mt. Gox is where you want to be. The volatility, the volume, the price movement is kind of more of someone who understands trading. That's where you want to be at, because you like the price move in there. But for other people like miners, merchants, they like Bitstamp a lot. I don't know why. Maybe they just feel that's more of a middle ground. And it really depends, because sometimes Bitstamp and BitC are almost the same price. I've seen recently Bitstamp go below BitC price. So, but now let's look at a BitC, and this is like, I call it the Russian site, but I don't know if it's really Russian. It's Bulgarian or Hungarian or something Garian. But now you look at this. This is the same period in BitC, and it looks like a little flash crash going up and down here, or somebody really moved that much. But in the end, it works out because it has the same pattern going up, but you see these weird spikes here, then weird spikes. When I see something like this, I see indication of some type of manipulation. Like, why would it spike here? It almost looks like it's driving everyone's, sell order, and then when it gets down here, it's driving everyone's buy order here. It's just weird to see these spike movements because I don't see them anywhere else, like on Bitstamp. I don't see those spike movements on Bitstamp, and I don't see those spike movements on Mt. Gox here either. Actually, Mt. Gox looks pretty smooth, like it's a true price action. Anyways, but back to Bitsy. See, just kind of weird. But anyway, in any case, here's the price here, the low, same time period of. Let me see if I could let it. Well, I'll read it out to you. It's 802. There you go, 802. And then the high would be 841. So this is only a $40 movement in price. So it may be, I don't know about Bitsy, especially about this particular, graph chart here. But maybe some people, see it as less risky because of the price action. It's more smoother, or the movement is not as much on Bitsy or Bitstamp. Okay, and I agree on that, and maybe someone who's using it as money or a merchant would like something like that. But if you're going to trade, and you're going to be a trader, you're going to be a market maker, you're gonna cover your position or whatever you need to do. Either you're covering your position in Bitcoin or you're covering your position in dollars. The moves on Mt. Gox will get you, I think, more money, in my opinion. So if anyone's wondering why I'm at Mt. Gox, I simply, this is another reason. It's the movement in price. It's quite a bit more than the other exchanges, and that movement in price helps me make more Bitcoins or US dollars as far as electronically on my account. There's a number that says US dollars, and then there's another number that says Bitcoin, and they or I think it's the other way, Bitcoin first and then dollars. And really they're just two electronic formats of money that I'm just moving around back and forth, and the whole purpose is to gain either more Bitcoins or gain more dollars. Either way, it doesn't matter. I'm in it for the Bitcoins because eventually I'm just gonna take my dollars at some point and just waiting for the price of Bitcoin to go down, the price to go down for me to buy more Bitcoins. So that's how I'm gaining Bitcoins. My whole goal is to gain Bitcoin, not really to realize any money. Other people may want to realize their money, which is fine. It's up to them. I just hope that they report it if they're going to be doing this out in the open. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this episode. If you're into trading, my recommendation, and this is why I trade at Mt. Gox, is the prices, the large price range movements that this has. An $80 movement versus the others being only a $40 to $50 movement. So this is kind of where this is the action that I like to see versus the others. But again, I'm trading, I'm speculating. But that's what a trader and speculator does. They want to see larger moving action. So anyways, this concludes this episode. Feel free to comment, like, dislike, or even leave a video response. I've had someone, I kind of deleted our comment because if you do leave a comment, please don't leave any websites to exchanges or other places for mining and stuff. Just leave a comment. I just want to make it so that people, when they come here or watch the video, they're learning about the trading, not where to trade or who to trade with, I'm explaining why I trade at Mt. Gox, and I think this is very important for people who are serious traders. Uh, like I said in my previous episodes, if you can't get any real life peer-to-peer trades going on in the real world, um, if I'm not doing that, I'm always trading at the exchange, always trading at the exchange. So you've got to gain your coins or money every day, and this trades 24 hours. So I'm never short supply of buying and selling. Anyways, thanks a lot, and tune in for the next episode. Bye.